Most of the time when you talk about cryptocurrencies, is other people, they do not know cryptocurrency at all, or they just know Bitcoin but they do not really know much about Bitcoin, or they think like you invest today and you're gonna be rich in the next 2 years. Guys, there's a lot that's happening into crypto. Crypto is the future of money. Crypto is the future. At the time of recording this video, there is a massive adoption that is happening right now. Governments are buying crypto, big businesses are buying crypto, big businesses are accepting crypto as payment. If companies and governments are into crypto, why you are not investing into crypto? Why you are not investing into crypto, guys? So this is not a financial education video, guys. I'm just sharing this information with you because I'm seeing the future like cryptocurrency. The next 20 years will be one of the life-changing things we have ever seen in the history. If you invest into crypto today, I believe like in the next 10 years crypto will change your life. So let me give you an example, right? So Bitcoin was the best performing asset in the last 10 years. So if an asset was the best performing asset in the last 10 years, why you're not buying that asset? Why you're not investing? That's the question. Why? So yes, we know like crypto is risky, but crypto is also life-changing thing, right? Crypto can change your life. About 7% of population in the world are into crypto. So as time goes on, let's say maybe 20%, 30%, it will be stable, right? It will be stable. It won't fluctuate that much. Like at the time of recording this video, as you can see right now, Ethereum, one day, you can see right there the percentage, 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, and all. So the price was fluctuating, guys. So I also want to show you this other coin. They call it XRP, guys. XRP is one of the best coins. I believe in XRP. I think XRP in the next 10 or maybe like next 5 years will be the one of the best coins, cause like XRP is into like financial banking system, right? So over 300 financial institutions already use XRP as of 2024. Enough about all of that. On today's video, I just want to show you how to use Luno to invest, right? To invest into crypto, guys. So make sure you watch this video until then. I'll show you step by step how to use Luno to invest, but I will take you on to how to use it, like how to use this whole app, guys. And if you use my link that is in the description, you will get free 50 rand. Let's get it. After you create an account, will be on this page, right? Will be on this page. So you can see here by the category, favorite, all, top movers, layer 1, DeFi, stable coins, and so on and so on, right? So these are my favorite. If you want to add, you can just go there and add, right? Let's say I want to add Solana. You can just click on Solana, go back, then Solana will be on the home page if you want to track it, right? If you want to track it, so you can see the performance by 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, and also this will be on the home page. So first thing first, make sure you verify your account, right? Make sure you verify your account. So here on explore, so here is where you can learn, right? You can learn buy multiple coins, stake, and up to 4.8% and so on and so on. So I also recommend starting learning crypto. If you're new, if you do not know crypto, just learn before you invest into crypto, right? Invest so you can know what you're investing into, right? So here you can learn, right? You can learn chart, right? So one way or another, guys, one way or another, you're investing into crypto, because these cryptocurrencies, coins, there are businesses behind those coins that are solving real world problems. They are solving real world problems like XRP. So XRP is one of the coins that will be integrated into like this financial institution, the banks. Like with XRP, you can send money anywhere in less than 10 seconds, right? You can see that is fast. That is fast, instead of like using Swift. Maybe let's say for an example, in the future they say banks now will be using XRP. So with XRP, you receive your money, you'll send money in less than 10 seconds. That's so fast, right? That's so fast. right here on profile. You can just come here on profile and can see security refer to end, guys. So there's not much on this. Just go to security and enable this, right, two-factor, right, enable two-factor, right, and then can just come here on rewards, right. On rewards you can even get more than 50 rand, right, can even go to 50 rand, more than that, can even earn more than that, can just go to start the price prediction, right, every week. So there's this what can just see right here. So right here we're gonna predict Bitcoin, just click right there, and then you can see the current price, and let's say this will be the price in like next week, but say 2025 April 2, right. So let me just say okay for an example, so we can just submit it, and if you're correct then you're gonna get a share of 1250, right. So now let's say that's all about that. So now let's go to home, right. Say now you're ready, now you did your researches, right. Do your own research before you buy, know what you're investing into, right. Do your own research. So now let's say you're ready to buy, just click on buy, right. Just click on buy, or if you maybe want to buy into bundle, you can just click there, rate the rate. So this is like a collective of different coins. So you can see what's in the bundles. You can see the Bitcoin almost 80%, referral, Solana, Ethereum, Cardano, right. So you can even read more about the fees, how this works, right. You can just click next when I'm ready, and when I'm ready just click on add money, and then that's up to you. You can do the instant deposit or delayed deposit. So delayed is like EFT, instead like you buy right now when you buy something online, but they're gonna charge you 1.4 fee, right, per deposit, right. So I recommend delayed, right. You can just click there how much. So the minimum is 100 rand. Okay, this side the minimum is or 1 rand, but on that they say 100 rand. Okay, so we can just start with 100 rand. So just read it, say I understand, got it. So they're gonna give you details right there. So it's most important, right, do not miss this, but just copy it and paste it on your bank app so that you won't make mistakes, right. Because if you make mistakes, your money won't reflect, right. Your money won't reflect. So maybe if you want to say you want to buy a single coin instead of collective, you can just go back, go to buy crypto, and then right here you can just select what you want to buy. What do you want to buy, guys? What do you want to buy, right? You're gonna do your own research, right? After you do your own research, and then you're gonna come here, right? You're gonna click right here, right? And then you're gonna have to enable your Bitcoin wallet, right? Once off, and you can select what, how would you like to buy once off. So you can select once off. You want add a new card, so you can add your bank details, right? Your bank card details. Like this is so easy, guys. This is so easy. This is like when you buy something online, the card number, name on the card, expiry day, CVV, and then after that, and then it's so easy, guys. This is like when you buy something online, you enter your card details, then you save them, right? You save them. I don't want to go much into that, but if you're struggling, just let me know in the comment section, and I can do even the video on how to add a new card. I can do that, but I believe, guys, you can do that because I don't like to waste much of your time, guys. So this is all on how to use Luno, guys. This is all on how to use Luno. I have more other apps that you can use to invest and to learn. Just go into description, check more apps that you can use to invest into crypto instead of Luno. Like I almost like use about 15 different exchanges, different crypto exchanges, because I believe in do not keep all the eggs in one basket, guys. So I'm using more than 15 crypto exchanges, so for safety purposes. So if let's say someone hacked my account or maybe something, I know like they do not have all my money, they didn't take all my money. So guys, even like when you invest into crypto or any other, like as long as it's like financial, make sure you check FSP number, check the FSP number on the official website, the FSP for South Africa. You can see it, and like my money is safe, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you didn't subscribe, make sure hit that subscribe button right now.